D141, second steam. Gonna try and cut some wood. Oh, wrong way. Okay. Well, it is cutting it slowly. I'll drill some wood down here. It's not very productive. But there is the start of the hole there. You can see that. No, it's not there. Let's jump out of this thing. Hang on. Not the most productive sawmill, grinding mill, but there's a hole there. You can see that. Hang on, you can see a hole there. I think I'll jump out this thing again. Hang on. Yeah, I know it's dangerous pushing wood in that way, but it's hardly going to take me now, is it? That's rubbish. Anyway. So there we go. Well, if we cut a bit, perhaps thinner wood. Anyway, you get the gist. Anyway, it's still a wonderful machine, isn't it? I think if I had a thinner bit of wood in there and a little bit of weight on here, sharpen up the drill a little bit more. But I think we'd cut a little bit more than an eighth of an inch. You can see the steam there. think that's a D6 powering this. Powerful engine. I think the engine grunted once when I was forcing that drill through there. It was the drill that was stopping. So the engine didn't lose a beat. Let's try the grinding wheel yet. Oh. No. So I'll put a bit of strain on that engine. Look how low the water is compared now to the first run when it was just steaming as it is now. And I think the tablets have run out. Only lasted 6 minutes 45 seconds as opposed to 11 minutes the last time. What that's all about. Anyway, that's my Wilesco D141 attempting to cut wood.